Everybody, welcome over here. Out here in Denver attending Collaboration Aging. My passion is try to figure out how to strengthen, how to build referral network for my funeral home clients, networking hospices, hospice clients to network with senior care providers. So one of the things I always really advise is even though most of your website are consumer facing, but we all know that you gotta build your referral network. So definitely, that's say if you're a hospice, definitely want to make sure you have a page on your website that's really more physician, right, referral based page content on there. Right? If you're a funeral home, you gotta have a page within your website that speaks, that educate hospices, right? So you gotta, when I audit most websites out there, right, it's typically B2C though. But again, if your business heavily relies on referral network, you gotta make sure you have content specifically on your website or multiple pages to educate, even blogs to educate referral network. For example, who you are, what you do, how you're different, how to refer clients over to you, how to refer patients over to you. You definitely want to make sure you have a very good separate page, mainly a very good separate page just catered to your referral network. And it could be very simply how to refer clients over to us, how to refer patients over to us, right? So really, out of your website, you might be missing out a lot of opportunities for not having a specific page on your website that really speaks to your referral network.